Hello guys, today we are going to learn our 6th lesson, magnets. Do you know what are known as magnetic materials? Materials which attract towards the magnets are known as magnetic materials. Some examples of magnetic materials are iron, nickel, chromium and alloys like ferrite. Alloy ferrite is used to make more powerful magnets. Next we have to talk about poles of magnets. Regions of a magnet where magnetic power is concentrated are called as magnetic poles. There are two poles of magnets as North Pole and South Pole. You know that the South Pole and North Pole are marked in most of magnets. Now let's consider how the poles of magnets can be identified when they are not marked. There are 5 main ways. First way is using a compass. Then consider the direction that magnet turns when it is hung by a thread. Third method is considering the direction that magnet turns when it is float on water using a piece of cork or rigid form. Fourth method is observing the attraction or repulsion when magnet with non-poles is brought closer. Fifth method is observing the direction that the magnet turns when it is kept on a watch glass and move freely on another watch glass. You can investigate more methods other than these methods to identify poles of magnets. Then let's talk about magnetic field of a magnet. Area that the magnetic power is spread around a magnet is called as magnetic field of that magnet. Imaginary lines that are used to denote the magnetic power around a magnet are known as magnetic field lines. Next we have to talk about compass. You may have heard that an instrument called compass is used to find direction. Compass was invented by Chinese about 1000 years ago. Today, various types of compasses are in use. A compass is made from a magnetic needle and this is just like a small magnet which can freely float on liquid or turn around in a point. When a compass is kept near a magnet, the needle turns along the direction of the magnetic field. Therefore, the magnetic field of a magnet can be identified using a compass. Magnetic field lines of a permanent magnet direct from North Pole to South Pole. Hence, the direction of magnetic field is from North Pole to South Pole. Then let's talk about geomagnetism. You know that the north-south directions of the earth can be identified using a compass. When a compass is kept horizontally near the surface of the earth, its needle turns along the north and south directions. The magnetic field exists near the earth is known as geomagnetism. Liquefied metal currents circulate around the axis of the earth. Because of the high temperature at the core of the earth, the magnetic field of the earth is the result of electric current thus generated. There is a little difference between real north and the magnetic north of the earth. The magnetic north lies few degrees northwest from the real north. Let's talk about temporary magnets and permanent magnets. Magnets which the magnetic power remains for a short period of time are known as temporary magnets, and the magnets which the magnetic power remains for a long period of time are known as permanent magnets. Does the magnetic power of a permanent magnet remain forever? The answer is no. The magnetic power of a permanent magnet are lost due to various reasons such as aging, being subjected to high temperature, being subjected to strong magnetic fields, being subjected to vibrations. Then let's see some instances where permanent magnets are used. In some bags, in speakers, in electric motors, in some door locks, in some toys, in compasses, in pencil box, in stickers of refrigerators, in some phone covers. So today's lesson is over. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt regarding lesson, comment down below. I will reply.